Greetings everyone, we have another hard-nosed Hot Wheels here. It's the Toyota Celica, and this is a 2004 first edition, most likely the last edition as well, but leave a comment if they came out with other colors. So, here we go. Pretty nice metallic orange paint on this guy. People have drawn some pretty cool Celicas there as well. So, like all other hard nose, the nose is really big and it tapers off, but not so much tapering on this one compared to others. But we have the massive wheel up front and the mid-size kind of wheel up here, or the standard size wheel, I suppose. We have some sort of Rob's Performance and a Toyota badge there. Not sure what Rob's is. Maybe he was the designer or something of this thing. The toy, that is. Really chromed out intercooler here, and then the vents are nicely recessed so you can add some paint easily. It's nice that the headlights are painted silver already. Sadly, there's a bit of a mishap going on here. What's going on with this thing? I think those are casting bubbles. I don't think it's paint rash. It looks, I don't know. Anyways, big hood scoop and some vents up here. This side, yeah, looks good. At least the English is in the right direction. I hate how some of the brands, or some real cars, they just mirror the graphics on the other side. It's all backwards. That's so lazy to me. Anyways, taillights, I guess, they actually, nope, they're not red. I thought they were red for a moment, but they're not. The base is chrome, so it's nice they have a tab holding the back with this license plate area. And then a huge rectangular exhaust tip with a recess, so that'll be easy to paint. This might be the thinnest wing I've ever seen from Hot Wheels. This is like a real scale almost, you know. It's not super wide. I don't know how this passed the safety guys, right? That's really thin for Hot Wheels. Look at this. Impressive. I like it. Anyways, the blackout, or it's not a blackout of the window. It's just the way it's molded. It looks like it's got a blackout on it. But anyways, you got some speakers back here, and then a steering wheel. So a really truncated interior. It's really cool. A lot cooler than I thought it was going to be. Oh, wow, these things fishtail. This one fishtails easily because, yeah, it's all nose heavy. I never thought about that. Anyways. Okay, you learn something new every day. Well, let's see what kind of wheels I come up with. And we're back with some wheels of my own design. I just started somewhere and decided to just go with a geometric look because this car itself is very, angular. There's a lot of long, straight lines going on. So that's what I did here. And these slots actually do pass some air, but not much. So I made this front tire quite huge, so this thing is actually scraping the casting. The rears actually are much better, but I reused the stock axles and stuff like that. So yeah, the tires are a separate piece, so it's easier to paint. And then I went and added some black paint in here, and that might be it. Oh no, the exhaust. And I don't know if I added that paint or if it came that way. I forget. I did this model a while back. Anyways, so that's what's going on for this particular one. It's so strange looking, right? Anyways. Okay, so some tuned Celicas here. I don't know if this is supposed to be like a drift car or just a tuner vehicle. Anyways, this looks the most like it, I think. I don't have this thing in true 64 scale. It just doesn't, I don't think it exists, or I just don't want it. I have this older one here. This Celica is from the 5th generation, and it's made by Konami here. And it's okay. It's not the greatest model, to be honest with you. And then Chorokyu-wise, I do have this generation of Chorokyu. This came in some sort of box set, Toy Dream Project. All the models have that on there. And I did 3D print some like BBS wheels on this guy. And just to match up this other one, we have this Chorokyu, and I have some 3D printed OZ Rally wheels on this one. So, more modern one next to the old one. You can see this crazy, crazy deformation, how slow it is in the back and how wide and tall it is in the front. It is something else, that's for sure. You can't even see the cockpit from a straight on view. Mattel. Alright, so today we have this little miniature Bandai. I don't know if it's a Bandai, but this is a Gundam, which is owned by Bandai, the franchise Gundam. It's called Acguy, A-C-G-U-Y. I think it's an underwater robot in their universe. So it's a very funky hardnose, much smaller than the other ones I've seen. But it's interesting. It's goofy looking, that's for sure. Makes me want to laugh. So, hopefully it made you guys laugh a little bit. If not, well, get a sense of humor. Just kidding. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next Hot Wheels 3D printed wheel project. Bye now.